Today's read aloud is called Making Music, written by Cameron Macintosh. A part of our lives. Music is an important part of our lives. It brings us together and makes our lives more fun. Every culture has its own music. In some places, music has been a part of the culture for thousands of years. Musical instruments. Most music is made with musical instruments. Do you play an instrument? Bass guitar, piano, there is one special instrument that everyone can use. Your voice is an instrument too. You can use your voice anywhere. You can sing by yourself or with other people. A group of singers is called a choir. Singing in a choir is a fun way to learn about music. Instruments around the world. There are all sorts of interesting instruments around the world. Some children play the ankle bells. The bells ring as they move their feet. Some children play the panpipes. They blow across the top of the pipes to make different sounds. Some children play the clapsticks. The clapsticks make a sound when they are tapped together. Some children play tribal drums. The drums are played by hand rather than with drumsticks. Some children play the chapkas. These are rattles made from the toenails of goats. Ways to play. There are lots of different ways to play music. Some people play music that has been written down. Each dot or circle in the music is a note to be played. The music tells the player which note to play and how long to play it for. This type of note is usually played for one beat. This type of note is usually played for 2 beats. Some people don't write down music. They play music they have learned by memory. Some people write their own music or make it up as they go. It's good for us. Singing or playing a musical instrument is good for us too. Our brains get lots of exercise when we make music. This is good for our memory. Singing or playing music in a group also helps us to work well with other people. We can all make music. Even if you don't have an instrument, you can still make music. You can clap your hands or stomp your feet. You can hum or sing or whistle. Everyone can have fun when they make music. Make your own drum. Drums are lots of fun to play. Let's make one. You will need a large round metal can, a piece of colored cardboard, electrical tape, scissors, tissue paper, sticky tape, and 2 pencils. First, cover the top of the tin can with strips of electrical tape. 2. Cut the cardboard to fit around the can. 3. Wrap the cardboard around the can and stick it on with the sticky tape. 4. Decorate your drum. You can use anything you like. 5. Roll the tissue paper into 2 balls. Tape it to the ends of the pencils. Now you have drumsticks. Your drum is ready to play. Glossary. Choir. A small or large group of people who sing together. Instruments. Devices used to make musical sounds. Memory. The ability to remember things. Note. A musical sound.